Hello developers, welcome back again. In this video, we'll learn how to install FAST CLI in Android Termux. Let's check the installation guide first. Scroll down a bit to read the instructions for Android Termux. We need to follow a few steps. First, we need to download and install the MT Manager APK. MT Manager APK is already downloaded in my phone. You need to download it first and install it. Now, we need to download the Termux APK. I've already downloaded the Termux APK. You need to download it, then install it. Now, open the Termux app and run the storage permission command. For the very first time, it'll load some necessary packages. If it asks for any permissions, allow them. Paste the copy command and press enter to run. Storage permission is granted. Now, we need to run the upgrade command. It'll download required packages. It may ask you for input. Type in and press enter, or you might press enter without any input. Now, we'll install JDK 17. Android Termux not support JDK 8 or 11. JDK 17 is installed. Let's verify the JDK installation first. Now, you might run the below command to download and configure the FAST CLI automatically. But we'll install FAST CLI manually in this video, so let's skip this step. As we're installing manually, so we need to download the latest fast.zip first. I'm using ADM to download it faster. Now, for the first time, we need to add the Termux home as local storage in MT Manager. Allow the All Files access for the MT Manager. This is our Termux home. We'll install the FAST CLI here. Now, create a folder by name FAST in Termux home. Now, we need to unzip the fast.zip in the newly created FAST folder. Now, we need to create the .bashrc file in Termux home if not exists. Now open it and paste below command and save it. You're done. FAST CLI is successfully installed. We need to close the Termux app and reopen it. Then you can run FAST commands. Let's check the installed version of FAST CLI. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated. And if you're interested in the premium version of FAST CLI, please comment below.